Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Shawna and today I'll be making curry cabbage. So if you never had this before, stay tuned for this video and watch until the end. So here I have quarter of cabbage, and this is a huge cabbage, so I'm only doing quarter. In here I have curry powder and turmeric mixed together. I have cumin, I have Mrs. Dash, I have quarter of onion, I have fresh scallion from the garden, I have thyme, and I have scotch bonnet pepper. This recipe is very simple, so let's kick it off. This is how I cut my cabbage. Slice it all the way down in very thin strips. This is very easy for me to do. And repeat the process until it's all completed. So now that the skillet is heated, I add some olive oil, 1 teaspoon. I'll now add 2 teaspoons of curry powder, turmeric mixed together. I just want it to burn a little bit. And now add my chopped onion and my pepper. This is optional because I know this pepper is not hot. I included the seeds in there, but if you do have hot peppers and you do not like spicy food, you can take the seeds out before put it in the pot. So I just mix and combine, let it saute for a little bit. Guys, now that it's saute, I washed and chopped my cabbage and add it to the pot. And it seems like a lot now, guys, but as usual with leafy vegetables, they shrink. I'm not going to add any water to it as yet. I will watch to see how much water will spring from it, and then I decide if I need to add water. So right now I'll just put the lid on, let it cook for 3 minutes, and then I'll come back and check on it. Checking in on my cabbage. It's on medium heat right now, so not a lot of water was generated. I will just combine. I put it on low heat. I do believe it needs a little more curry, so I'll add another teaspoon of curry powder, turmeric powder. I add some cumin, probably 1/4 teaspoon. I'll add some Mrs. Dash, 1 teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Cabbage doesn't take a lot of time to cook, so what I'll do now that everything is combined and a little water is being generated, so I'm not going to add any water to it. And I'll also add my thyme. So I'll let this cook for another 5 minutes, so I'll just put the lid on. I'm checking in on my cabbage again, and it smells great, guys. I like curry cabbage. Never had this as a child, but you know, when you love vegetables, you just want to explore. And you can also taste it just to see if you want to add anything to it. Very simple meal. I just give it a taste. She's tasty. I can taste all the flavors, the thyme, everything. I just take the time out. So this is my curry cabbage. I normally eat this for breakfast with green bananas for breakfast. So guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, share, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel. More and more plant-based recipes coming. Thank you for viewing. Thank you for sharing. I thank all my viewers and subscribers. Until next time, see you.